In this video, I'm going to help you to understand the complete career of a project manager. So stay there till the end of today's video because it is all about your career counseling. I don't want that you waste your next 3 to 4 years and get this information. So this is really valuable video through which I'm going to share with you my experience and upcoming insights for your career development and all that. Well, my name is Engineer Waqas Ahmed and I have spent 15 years in the field while serving in oil and gas industry in Gulf region. Before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future, if I'm gonna make any relevant video about your career, about the skills, you get that link on time. Well, project manager, everybody wants to become a project manager. That is the end goal, but only 10% people can arrive on that destination. What is the problem? The problem is only the awareness. You have no direct roadmap, you have no direct guidelines awareness. These are the missing things, and no university, no certification, nothing is going to guide you about these things, but only industry professionals who are already arrived on that destination. Same like I'm gonna share with you the tips and tricks how you have to equip yourself with the skills. A project manager usually deals with all those tasks. This guy is responsible for management about the delivery of that project. If I say project, I mean to say it can be a building construction project, it can be a road construction project, pipeline, MEP, oil and gas, combined cycle power plant, solar energy project, or it can be any website development or any other service. Okay, but to get that designation project manager is not just simple. You will get email, okay, you are hired as a project manager. You need effort of many years, and it's not only experience but skill up yourself. So if I talk about specifically about civil engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, meanwhile I would request you people to just write in the comment section area, so that give me an opportunity to know my audience who is watching me in more concentration, with more concentration. Right there in the comment section area about your engineering discipline as well, about your education. Now let's move on. This project manager is actually the guy, every company is looking for this job designation. The guy who can perform a role of project manager can efficiently perform those tasks, like they can understand and present and distribute the responsibility among the team with very efficient way. This project manager is going to talk about time management, is going to distribute the timelines, guidelines about the execution strategy, who is going to do what kind of task, right? Then of course with the consultation they are going to talk about, are going to distribute the cost management plans, resource deployment plans, material requisition plans, right? So it's not simple thing to integrate all these services, from designing people, from construction people, procurement people, suppliers, vendors, planning, and many departments are going to involve to develop that single product. And project manager is a leader. Over the period of these like 5 to 10 years, until this guy is going to become a project manager, he have to skill up the strategy. Analytical approach is the foremost thing. What does mean by analytical approach? The strategy implementation. If plan A is not working, you have to implement plan B. You have to ready with your plan B, how to save the cost, how to secure the timelines, how to efficiently utilize your manpower, electricians, fabricators, and cranes. You understand? So when you are supposed to deliver all of these things, there it comes to learn project management. Project management means like work management, how much work you have to deliver, and it should only comes with the only work and all the work. And then to perform or deliver all these works within specified timeline. Optimum resource deployment, cost management, resource management, risk management. So project management is the foremost thing any engineer or any site engineer need to learn to become future project manager. Along with this project management, there is another thing, the process, the industry framework, the construction management, the constructability. Like you are going to construct a building, then how the execution strategy will be there, right? You need to understand that one as well. Like road construction is there, how you are going to divide that road into different patches, sections, work packages and all that. What is the earthwork? How you are going to start your sub base, aggregate base course? Is there overlapping happening over there? Are finished to start? How you are going to manage your availability of resources? Do you need extra resources? These are part of strategy. Then cost management. How if your strategy is as per plan A, how your cash flow look like as per this plan? If we are going to change your plan A from A to B, how your cash flow look like now? Is it feasible now, right? So this is project management and construction management. And then you have to be familiar with the documentations. It's not overnight game. It is many years effort, right? So now documentations like templates, if you talk about contract, you should be familiar with what does mean by contract, legal binding, what kind of information I can extract from this document, tender, bidding documents, BOQs, IFC drawings. Then there are submission approval cycles, right? Within contract it will be mentioned that who is gonna do what kind of jobs, responsibility will be highlighted there, payment methods, project start date, finish date, specification of the project, risk, how to handle delay analysis, EOTs, how to deliver that project, what is contract type. So contract type, contract document is going to deal overall the complete strategy, the transfer of the authority to different kind of stakeholders. Contractor is there, consultant is there, client is there. What kind of responsibilities are distributed among these authorities, organizations? This is contract management. And then a tool which is going to provide you that analytical approach or eyes, like you can see the strategy. That is something like Excel, Microsoft Project, Primavera P6. There are many other tools, and I will pick one of them like Microsoft Project or Primavera P6. It's going to take the data. And why Primavera P6 is for project manager tool? Why? Because the project manager is there. It is not human mind capacity to deal daily basis, 1,000 people, $1 million cost with multiple resources, with different kind of strategies at the same time, and you are efficiently know about each and everything. What happened yesterday, what happened day before yesterday, right? And what is coming day is bringing along with it, right? So you need a tool where you are going to manage the data. That is Primavera P6. So Primavera P6 is going to give you the authority as a project manager, and you have to start. It's not about once you will become a project manager, then you have to start learning it. It is what I'm talking about, like your early days. You have to start learning Primavera P6. With the passage of time, you have to add contract things. You have to start learning about project management. You have to start learning about the process with your field experience and all that, right? I'm also, by the way, giving you the valuable links in the video details. Just visit that video detail once and you will find many valuable links and start learning about these things. Moreover, if you want to be part of my complete live free masterclass, you can write down in the comment section area, and my team is going to approach you and give you an opportunity to attend that live free masterclass, in which I'm going to load amazing information within that live session, taking your question and answers to equip you people to transfer that information, that how to become a planning from planning engineer to a project manager, from site engineer to a project manager, from ordinary job career oriented person to a project manager in a few years, right? So that is what you have to add time to become a project manager. Now, people ask me one thing. Okay, we are going to add the skills. We are going to learn Primavera P6. We are going to learn project management, construction management, contract knowledge, and all that. They are preferring about YouTube, Udemy, but this thing you should keep in your mind. The career which is going to be your bread and butter for rest of the life, right, is not achievable through only some kind of certain number of videos. You need a mentor, right? So that is why I'm asking you to get free coaching in my live free masterclass, and write there in the comment section area. The second most important thing, which is actually attached with the first question, we are going to learn each and everything. Okay, we are going to get hire some mentor, or we are going to enroll in some training. But what after that training? Who is going to provide us the opportunities? We have already 3 to 4 years of experience inside, like as a QA/QC engineer, design engineer. So I used to tell them the practical approach, the way I have molded my career, I have transferred my career into planning and control. It doesn't matter. Either you are a site engineer, design engineer, QA/QC engineer, or any other document controller or work permit guy who could not get that much optimum job. doesn't matter. You have to learn the skills and then know about the job hunting strategy, like how to apply for the jobs using linkedin based job ads, LinkedIn based networking, add other people, prepare your ATS resume, show other people, recruiter managers, that you are already working as a planning engineer. That is only possible if you have already taken some industry based practical training, you understand? And then your journey, once it will be started, you will be more active, you will be more knowledgeable than anybody else, because it is your career. Then you will be more manageable. How after 6 months I'm going to add another training, how I'm going to add another training, what are the companies in your surrounding where I need to apply, right? You understand? So this come by the with the passage of time. Don't get obsessed with the final result, who is going to hire me. No, just start, take, keep this thing going on, take the action, start learning the things, and everything is coming to you with the passage of time. So that's all which I wanted to transfer you, that how to become a project manager. As a project manager, either you are a 10 years field experience, 15 years of field experience, only experience coming with number of years, like having no skills, is useless nowadays. Specifically, it's not worthy. You have to add skills with the passage of time. You have to add all these skills. If you have technical skills, that is an advantage, but these are the mandatory skills. Without learning these skills, if you are dreaming that you will become a project manager, then it is really unreliable kind of thing you are achieving, right? So I would request you people to just write in the comment section area, project manager with Primavera P6. My team is going to approach you and provide you my live free masterclass, through which you can gain many amazing things and ask many amazing questions which you are thinking right now, and you can't get any answer from anywhere. See you in my next video.